Hey everybody, I'm Scott Spring Hill Fox. Welcome back. Today, I applied for a fake job, so you don't have to. I was looking through my emails and saw this one email and I thought, let me see where this goes. I got an email, urgent job, offer 80K a year, 20 hours a week. Sounds amazing, which is exactly why I knew it was fake. So I had to go down that rabbit hole. So I replied. The interview was through a messaging app called Telegram. Big red flags right there. No video, no Zoom, no call, just a guy named David who told me I was perfect for the job. Flattery, urgency, we need you by the end of the day. Classic pressure move. Then came the offer and the check. They sent me 4,500, told me to keep the 500 and asked me to wire back the rest of the office equipment. Here's the scam. That check is fake. Your bank releases the funds before realizing it bounced, and you're on the hook for every dollar. If a job sounds too good to be true, it is. No honest company hires through text and sends checks before you even start. Have you seen a scam like this? Drop in the comments. I want to hear about it. Let's stop these crooks together. Follow for more real talk on online scams and affiliate marketing. This is Scott. Peace and progress.